Windows Hello offers a more personal way to sign into your Windows devices for systems that support biometrical inputs. With just a look or touch of a finger, you'll get enterprise-grade security without having to type in a password. The first thing you'll need to do is to set up a Windows Hello PIN. Click on the Start menu and go into Settings. Click on Accounts, select Sign-in Options, then select PIN Windows Hello. Click the Setup button, then click on Next. During the process, you may be asked to confirm your Windows account password. In the Setup a PIN window, enter your new PIN and confirm it, and then click OK. With that done, if your system supports biometrical inputs, such as fingerprint sensor or infrared camera sensor, you'll have the option to set up the facial and fingerprint recognition features. For a complete list of Dell-supported systems that use the facial recognition feature in Windows Hello, click the link shown. Let's go through the steps of setting up facial recognition. Click on the Start menu and go into Settings. Click on Accounts, select Sign-in Options, then select Facial Recognition Windows Hello. Click on the Setup button and then click on Get Started. You'll then be asked to confirm your Windows Hello PIN. For this next part, you'll need to stare directly at your system's webcam for Windows Hello to identify your face and create the biometrics needed. Be sure to have good lighting conditions so the camera can work properly. Once it's all set, click on Close, and the facial recognition feature can now be used to unlock your Windows device. If you need help troubleshooting webcam issues, click the link shown. Now let's go through the steps of setting up fingerprint recognition. Click on the Start menu and go into Settings. Click on Accounts, select Sign-in Options, then select Fingerprint Recognition Windows Hello. Click the Setup button and then click on Get Started. You'll then be asked to confirm your Windows Hello PIN. For this next part, carefully follow the on-screen instructions for the process of getting a proper reading. Using different finger angles on the sensor will help get a good reading. Once it's all set, you have the option to add another finger. Otherwise, click on Close. The fingerprint recognition feature can now be used to unlock your Windows device. The next time you turn on your PC, you'll have these additional sign-in options. If you need help troubleshooting fingerprint reader issues, click the link shown.